What is up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. Car Revive. Right now I'm in the middle of just getting off work. The crib is clean-ish. Kids are in the middle of playing the game. And I'm basically in the middle of about to get ready to take a battery out of the Chrysler Pacifica. End up trying to start it up this morning, and it wasn't starting, so headed outside in the dark in about 20-degree weather to go remove the battery. By tomorrow I should have a battery that actually works, and hopefully that solves all the problems. Bad thing is the Pacifica has two batteries, a bigger one and a small one, and the small one is for the accessories such as the radio, the signals, the light, etc. So hopefully once I change out the bigger battery, that solves all the issues. So let's head outside, do some ranching, solve all our problems. See you guys out there. Alright guys, so we're out here at the vehicle right now. I just removed this air duct to the air intake. Now I'm in the middle of removing the battery. Pretty much just remove this top positive or negative, whatever you want to call it. Jump right into the positive. And that should be it as far as the battery. Yep, that's pretty much it. Got the positive off. Next thing to do, disconnect the negative. And yeah, that's basically it. Negative terminal's kind of stuck. Kind of had the same situation earlier. The corrosion is holding it. See if I can get like a better angle of this. That'll work. I was literally out there for about 10 minutes, and it's just as cold as they said it was. It's freezing out there. Luckily I got power tools. I invested money into speed ratchets and things of that nature, unless I'll be still standing out there just wrenching with a hand wrench. But luckily I got the materials to make the job a whole lot faster. So let's just head over to the auto parts store, grab both batteries. Obviously I may just get the smaller and test it while I'm there, and see if they'll take care of the issues. Catch you guys at the auto store. So I'm basically outside at the vehicle, and I decided to take the repair a step further. Right now I'm in the mix of removing the small battery. I did some research and it says something about this small one could drain the bigger one, so I'm basically just going to change out both right away. And right now I'm in the mix of removing it. As you can see, the small battery is 3 years old. Well, 2 years, give or take. So probably be best to change it out now. So I just made it and pulled up to the auto store. Let's head in there, grab our 2 old batteries so we can get the core, and grab the new batteries. Shit. Morning. Pretty sure you know what that goes to, right?
What's that?
Oh, Chrysler Pacifica.
Oh.
Those got 2 batteries.
With the core?
Yeah.
You got your receipt or?
Nah, I was trying to get 2 batteries.
Oh, you're just buying them, okay.
Yeah.
What year is it?
It's a 2018.
Does not look like I have them here.
Gotcha.
I have the big battery up. I just don't have the little one.
Okay. Yeah, I called about it yesterday. I'll probably go to a different store to get that one. But are you able to test the small one?
Yeah, I can test it.
How long does that usually take?
A few minutes. Let's throw that to the 2 fold.
Yeah, I had a no start issue with my vehicle yesterday, and I just assumed since the sticker was on it, battery's almost 3 years old, you know, as far as changing it.
Not really much. It says charge and
Retest.
yeah,
It's fine. I'll hold on to that one.
I'm guessing it's probably bad. Yeah, I don't see any of our stores having it. The other battery. Let's see here. Mosquito store has one. Okay. Or sorry, McGuanago.
I'll just take the bigger one for right now.
Okay. You know what price they quoted you?
Yeah, I work for Bridgestone, so they like use the discount on it. I think it was like 150 or something like that.
I think I remember you yesterday. Let's see if I can.
So what I'll probably end up doing, I'll probably end up dropping this off to get charged at a different store and then just get it retested there. You just grab this thing off here. This little ventilation thing.
It's got the plug for it.
Okay. Have to make sure I grab this thing
There's a
off.
hole on this side too. You'll
Okay.
have to plug one of those holes.
Yeah, it was on the positive. Let me make sure I put it back on the same side. Same side I had it. Glad you pointed that out to me.
It's so slow.
I'll probably just end up dropping this off at another store, seeing if it charge and retake. Like, feel the side of this. You feel like it has like that lump in it? Is that yeah, it's supposed to be like that?
Not usually. It probably has the end of its life.
Yeah.
Okay, 167.14.
It's gonna be card, sir.
All right. Yeah, they probably have to order it. That battery.
How long does that usually take?
From McGuanago, you probably see it the next day. Yeah,
Appreciate it.
no problem.
You have a good one.
You too.
All right, guys, so we got the battery, got the goods. I'm gonna go drop this one off, get it charged and retested. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so I'm on the road right now, headed to one of my favorite places, a tool store. I gotta go pick up some wire strippers to repair that wire that was damaged. Hopefully I don't really need that in order to have the vehicle start, and work or drive or function, because right now it's super cold out and I doubt I'll be able to solder those two wires together. But in the meantime, I will go out and pick up some wire strippers to repair that at some point. It probably won't happen until maybe say like 2 months from now for me to repair it. But I'll see you guys at the store, and hopefully you guys are still watching this. And let's just go pick up what we need, which is one of my favorite stores. Their tools are not expensive. They're pretty reasonable. You get a lifetime warranty on them. If anything breaks, you can bring it back and return it. So just want to share some info with you guys on that. And if you're looking to buy tools, toolboxes, etc., you definitely want to check this place out. Not sure if they're nationwide, but if you're looking to expand your tools and get a bang for your buck, definitely shop here. So I'll see you guys at the store in a bit, and then from there I'll be dropping off the smaller AGM battery to get it charged and retest it to see how good it is, basically. So see you guys in a bit. All right, so I just made it to a tool store, Harbor and Freight. Let's head in here, go pick up some wire strippers, and head back to the house. But before then, I gotta drop the battery off, and then we'll probably head back to the house, wait it out, let them charge it up, and retest it for us. Because the first time, obviously, the battery was tested, the smaller one, it said charge and retest. So I'm just guessing that the voltage was so low, it couldn't give like an accurate reading. So I'll probably end up going to go pick up the wire strippers first, obviously, since I'm here. Drop the small battery off at AutoZone, get it charged and retest it, head to the house, check on the status of the small battery, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's fine. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Morning. What hour would your wire strippers be?
Halfway down 3 on your left.
Okay, thank you. So as you guys can see, they have like a variety of strippers here. And right now I'm just trying to see which one would probably be our best option. I'm probably gonna go with these. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go with these right here. I mean, they all do the same thing. You're just, stripping wire with them. And you can't beat a price for $6 for these. These right here are $4, but you can only cut so many sizes with those. And these you can cut like a variety of sizes. So I'll probably go with these.
Do you have a phone number with us?
Yeah, 414-712-1.
634.
Do 4 in cash and the rest on the card.
Okay. 234. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. So I got the strippers. Let's basically head back to the north side, get our battery tested, go to the house, chill for a moment, warm up, and see if we can fix the issue. See if we can fix the issue with the Pacifica not starting. See you guys in a bit. All right, so after basically 2 hours of dropping off the small battery, I'm here at AutoZone getting ready to pick it up. Let's see what the results are as far as it being charged up and see if we saved ourselves $100 and some. Going on? I'm just here to pick up the battery. It was being charged. Got the receipt for it.
Go to the back. They should be back. There should be somebody back there.
Oh, you got a ticket for a battery. What's the name on it?
Jamel,
Which one you have?
the small one.
The side post?
Yeah, it was like the double, the small one.
No names on that shit. Oh, no, you had that little battery.
Yeah, for the Pacifica.
This is yours.
Did it work out?
No, it didn't take a battery charge.
It didn't charge it?
Mm-mm.
Okay, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, they go to. What is that?
No, Pacifica, it got 2 batteries. It got a big one, a small one. This only it really just used like for the radio, the signals, and like the accessories and shit. So it didn't charge. Well, it said charge and retest. Let's see what happens when we just pop it back in. So I just got some bad news. Apparently it didn't want to charge up. So hopefully, let's have our fingers crossed that the van starts with the new AMG battery that we got. Let's head back to the house and install. So when I first started doing this, I ended up connecting I ended up installing a bigger battery first, but I just came to a realization I needed the space, so I had to move this out of the way. Now I should have enough space to put this in now. So I got the small battery installed. I ended up having to connect all these first because there wasn't enough spacing. Now that's down. Last thing left to do is just connect the negative. So everything is back together. Other than this wire right here that's spliced. Hopefully it starts. I hear power going to the vehicle. Hopefully that solves all the problems and issues. Let's find out. I'm gonna try cranking it. much the last thing I had to do. As you guys can see, I got the air duct reinstalled, this bracket here, this crash bar, the new batteries in, the old batteries into the accessories. I did hear a lot of power going to the vehicle. Something was running after everything was hooked up. But still though, the issue is this wire right here. I'm not sure what it's for, but let's kind of put this back where it goes. I think this was like, just put it down here for right now, off to the side. Should be able to start it from there. Hopefully, I did do some research online. I read something about how the small battery can drain the bigger battery. Hopefully it just lasts up until we can get it repaired. Let's give it a start, hop in the vehicle and see what happens. So right now I'm in the house. The vehicle didn't start. I'm guessing it's probably because of that wire. It's sliced. So right now I'm in the mix of heating up my solder gun here before I take it out in that cold temperature. That way I can solder both wires back together. And I'm just trying to make sure this thing is good and hot. So I'm just right now letting it warm up. And as you can see, it's getting hot. So what I'm gonna do is just let this get as hot as it can go, run it outside, and then use it on both wires and try to fuse them back together and see if that solves the not starting issue. So here it goes. So as you guys can see, I pretty much soldered the red wire back to this clip here, and I got the battery connected. Hopefully this resolves the issue. If not, then most likely it's probably the small battery that needs to be replaced as well. So let me hook this up and let's crank it and see what happens. And just like that, guys, thanks to Nathan, he came out and helped me in this cold weather. It's 18 degrees, she fired up. It was that wire. She fired up. If you guys like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Time to get inside, because man, it's freezing out here. Thanks, Nathan, bro.
No problem.
Good looking.